So, Adam, how are you today?
Good.
That's a very good one. We want to learn how to read, okay? Okay. Now, I want you to stay calm and focus on the screen, okay? Now, you remember that yesterday we wrote some words, two-letter words, right?
Yes.
Good. So, I want to see if you remember how to read. What word is this? Ah, And that's what? Ham. Don't write, please. Just drop your pencil. Don't write anything. That is am. Don't write anything. Just look up. Look up. Yeah. What's the word again?
Apple.
And that's what? Ham.
Ham.
Again.
Ham.
Now sound it. Say am.
Apple. Ham.
Okay, like when you say I am here. Say
I
that.
am here.
So am again.
Um.
Good. What's the next word? This one. Do you remember it? Ah. Mm.
An.
An.
Apple.
Oh, an,
An. An.
an, an.
An.
Like when you say an apple, say that.
An apple.
Good. An orange.
An
Please look
orange.
up, don't look down, look at your screen. An orange. An again.
Orange.
An again.
An
Don't
orange.
put orange, just say an.
An.
What's this one? Um. What's the
An.
second one? An.
An.
What's the first one?
An.
Again.
An.
Very good. The next one?
An.
Correct. Don't please drop a pencil. We just want to read. Later on, you will write, okay? So, again, the
Okay.
first one,
Ah.
am.
An.
The second one,
Ah. An.
very good. The first one,
Ah.
just say am. The
An.
second one, an. The
An.
first one, ham. The
Han.
second one, han.
Han.
What's this one?
An.
Again, look at it.
An.
Look at it. That
An.
is the second one. What's the first one?
An.
Okay, wait a bit. Wait a bit, okay? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay,
So should
fine.
I go?
Yes, you can go, ma'am.
Okay.
What is the
Adam,
first
you guys
word
have
now?
minutes left. Adam,
Yes.
don't scream. But listen, he asked you what's the first word. What is the pencil? Pencil, hold it. You can use this.
What is the first word?
The first word is this one. He's asking what is it?
An.
No.
An.
Don't look at me, look at him.
Am, am.
An.
Again.
An.
Very good. What's the next one?
An.
No.
An.
An. An apple. An.
An apple.
An. Again.
An.
The first one, ham.
Ham.
The second one is what?
An.
The first one is what? Second one.
An.
Now, what's this one?
I don't
Do.
know.
Do.
Do.
D-O, do.
D-O, do.
G-O, go.
G-O, go.
A-M, ham.
A-N, ham.
A-N, han.
A-N, han.
D-O, do. Look at the board.
D-O, do.
G-O, go.
D-O, go.
So now read the four for me.
D-O, do.
Okay.
D-O, go.
What do you call it?
I called it D-O, go.
G, not D.
D.
Letter G, letter G, 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 G.
G. D-O, go.
What's this one?
D-O, go.
No.
D. D-O, do.
D-O, do. What's this one?
D. D.
Yes?
D-O. D-O, go.
Not D-O, but G-O. Look at the alphabet. Again.
I don't know what it is.
G-O, go.
G-O, go.
Again.
G-O, go.
G, G, G. G-O, go. Again.
D-O, go.
What about this one?
D-O, go. D-O, do.
What about this one?
A-H. A-H, go.
What did you say?
I forgot what it
A-N,
is.
an.
A-N, an.
Again, look at it. Again.
An.
A-N, han. Again.
A-N, han.
What about this one?
A-M.
A-M is what?
An.
No. Yeah. A-M, ham. Again.
A-M, ham.
This one? A-N. A-N, an.
A-N, han.
What about this one?
D-O, do.
And that's correct. This one? Look at this. You're not looking at the screen. Spell it. What's the letter?
D-O. D-O, do.
No.
D-O, go.
G-O, go. So don't forget them. A-M, am. D-O, do. A-N, an.
D-O.
And G-O, go. Okay? Read the four. Let me hear you.
D-O, go. G-O. D-O, do. G-O, go. M-A-M. A-M,
And the last one.
and what? A-N.
A-N, an. Okay. At least you
A-N.
yes, at least you're able to read the three, right?
Yes.
Now, we're going to round up today. But let me tell you something, Adam. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Never you shout on your teacher. You know the video I played for you, you were shouting. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's a very rude behavior. That's a what?
A very rude behavior.
So what do you have to say?
Sorry.
So don't ever try that again, because there's no way you want to learn easily with that. Is that clear?
Yes.
You know what? I have a lot of other students that are your age and in your class, and they're doing wonderfully well. And I hope that you too, in a short while, be doing wonderfully well. Okay?
Okay.
Before we round up, read the 4 again. Let me hear you.
G-O go.
Good.
D-O do.
Good. Good. And the last one?
No. A-N.
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 An.
An.
Okay. Do you think you can quickly write out the 4 in your notebook? Write out this 4 and go and show your mom. But if you don't write it very well, don't show your mom. If you write it very well, show your mom. Start writing now. Only the 4.
Okay.
Write
If
it.
I write it very well, I'm dismissed.
What? Yeah. When you write it very well, we're closed for today. Okay?
Okay.
Only the 4, okay? This is it.
Okay.
Now, start writing. Start writing. Write it very well.
Okay.
All right, viewers. That'll be it for today. You can subscribe to this channel.
I want
Thank
it
you.
very